Hello guys! Today we are going to make one idea, super fast crochet keychain, and also very beautiful. We are going to start with the magic ring. Here I'm working with 100% wire, 2mm thick cotton, and a 2.5 needle. So I made 3 chains here at the beginning. And now inside the magic ring let's work 14 more. Double crochet. Totaling, I walk with the chains. After closing the magic ring, I will insert the needle into the 3rd chain. And here I will make a slip stitch, finishing that first lap. For the second round, let's start making 3 chains to give the height of the double crochet. In space, we will work 1 more double crochet. And let's keep making 2 double crochet for every point on the base. Let's stick to one total of 30 points. After finishing that lap, I cut the thread, and now let's do a tapestry needle finish. After finishing this finish, repeat that same base, but don't cut the wire. Now with a other color line, I will work the magic ring. And inside it, I will make 5 single crochet. Close the ring. Let's cut the wire. And finish with the tapestry needle. In this finish, I will not skip the first point. I will introduce needle in the first point, and I will repeat that same finish. Opening the needle in this initial chain, now I cut one piece of felt. Is this way, about that size, is from the piece we made in orange. Now with embroidery thread, preferably not preferred, in black color. I will do eye detail and embroidery here. So this is the first model, and here I am making an eye closed. Let's do the eyelash. This way, I show it here in the video. So here I already made two pieces and stayed that way. Then just stick your little nose. For the next little eye idea, I'm going to paste a black half pearl here in the center of the circle. And in the other eye, I will do like it's sing, all embroidered, are super simple to make. Ready for the next model. By eye of our piece, I will work quakes, as if it were one eye knocked out. Now to finish, we will close the two pieces. So here I am with my second base ready. I already glued my eye and nose. I will adopt the needle at any of the points I will do here at the top. Step it rings. I make a chain. I insert the needle in the same point, taking both parts. And I make one single crochet. In the next point, insert the needle in the same way. Work a single crochet. We already have 2 dots here at the beginning. At the next point, I will do 1 increase, 2 single crochet at the same point as the base. Now I will continue working 2 points, an increase all around before dating completely. Let's put some end stuffing inside our piece. Here I left one small space for filling placement. And I am using silicone plastic synthetic fiber. Can be any other filling of your choice. How I got the lock here. Right on top of my piece. I can make a string to put a keyring collar. And this is the result of our crochet piece today. This beautiful keychain with the little faces of angry birds. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked, don't forget to leave your like. This is very important for my work here on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching until here and until the next. A big hug.